What to eat tonight? AI 852 Cooking Guide. Tonight, you can try cooking this quick and delicious recipe for lime honey chicken wings. Ingredients needed: chicken wings, lime, honey, salt, pepper, garlic, soy sauce. Step 1. Thaw the chicken wings in light salt water. As for why you should use light salt water, there's a tip at the end of the video that explains it. After thawing, pat them dry with a paper towel. Step 2. Cut the lime in half and squeeze out the juice. Peel and chop the garlic. Step 3. Marinate the chicken wings by adding salt, pepper, soy sauce, garlic, lime juice, and honey. Mix well. Cover with cling wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. Step 4. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes in an oven or convection oven. If necessary, flip the chicken wings halfway. Done. Taste review. The crispy baked chicken wings paired with tangy lime juice and the sweetness of honey make this dish both refreshing and convenient. Tip: thawing in light salt water can help reduce the freezer taste in frozen meat.